Hi, this is Kevin with Myco. Last time I showed you a form we developed for a beer trade show. Today, in the second part of this series, I'll show you how we incorporated barcode scanning technology into the form. Well, enough chit-chat, let's get started. The trade show provided us with a badge package that described the barcode's parameters that a trade show attendee's badge would display. As you can see, they used a PDF 417 barcode type. This encoded several fields, which I'll show you up here. These fields included first name, last name, email, phone number, and also it included the start sequence, field delimiter, and end sequence that would be sent to the barcode reader. The first step to do this is to create a barcode instance using this button in MyCode Designer, or MyForms Designer. The barcode's right here. I hid it from the canvas so that you wouldn't see the barcode itself when we were running the form. You can also see it here. And in this barcode is an after set data event. But before we do that, I'll show you all these other hidden fields. These correspond to all that information that we saw in the badge kit. This is where that information will get stored and held until we export it later on. Going back to the barcode, we will check that after set data event. Taking a look at this, you can see that I did a little if statement to make sure that there is a barcode being scanned in. If it has 14 characters, then there's going to be a barcode. The data import is the function that actually manipulates the data and puts it into the fields that we had just shown you. CSV import is another function that simply checks a CSV file that already exists and makes sure that there isn't duplicate information. Let's take a look at this data import function. When we run the barcode, we send its barcode value into this badge, and then we substring it, get rid of the first couple characters. Then we roll into this badge split using character 3, which was defined in the badge kit, and we can map, sort of as an array, all the values into their corresponding hidden fields on the form. I added a couple form fields just to give the date that the scan was done and some other information. Going back to the designer, I can see or show you what we actually do once we have all this information imported into the file. Let's take a look at the form properties. And in the Data Paths tab, you can see that I created a CSV data path. Here you can take a look at the type. You can create all sorts of different types of data paths. You can make PDF files, you can send emails, you can connect to a database, and also you can connect to a MyForms server for more extensive integration. Here I'm just doing a simple CSV file and saving it right on my C drive in a temp folder. You have to go to the Data Map tab to see what's really going on. Here we'll define the field name that's on the form. It has the values from the barcode passed on earlier. This is the destination field for the CSV file. So this will be the header column on your CSV file. And it will send all that information to it. It'll actually add to the CSV file as you go, so you don't have a new one each time. If you create a PDF, it'll create a new PDF each time. It just depends on what kind of export you're trying to do. That's really all there is to it. As you can see, barcode scanning on MyForms is quite flexible. This is just one way to handle it. But you can use this on all sorts of different types of barcode scanners, from types that plug into USB ports to those that go into COM ports, or in this case, those that are built right into the device. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.